Genesis is one of the leaders in the luxury retailing segment. We are focused largely on apparel, footwear and leather products. Genesis has two businesses. One is it does the business of Indian brands, which it owns, Satyapal, Bewitch. And it also has a business of the international brands. For example, are the exclusive partners for Canali, Armani Jeans, Emporio Armani and Giorgio Armani. Then we have Jimmy Choo, we have Bottega, we have Paul Smith, we have Fodla. So there are quite a few.
Genesis' main focus is always to cater premium customers and luxury brands.
Retail in India is a very exciting space currently, and apparel and luxury is no exception. Satyapal as a brand, I think, is one of the most well-known brands.
Technology in retail demands an omni-channel experience. You order anywhere, pick up anywhere, delivery anywhere. This is more of the omni-channel experience. The whole idea of having integrated solution is what we need.
One of the things with retail businesses, you need to track transactions on an individual transaction level at the stores. That's when we decided that we need to move to an integrated ERP like AX from Navision, helping us to gather data, which erstwhile we used to do through Excel, etc. So from that perspective, the CRM solution is something we've implemented in AX.
Since we are into luxury space, we cannot send bulk SMSs and bulk emails to customers. The right approach is to have a targeted campaigns. Our main focus of implementing AX was to capture the right information.
So I think we were already on a Microsoft platform, which was Navision. And I think the logical choice of moving to the next level of ERP was really not to look at a fresh ERP because you have integration problems. The choice of using AX as our next step in the IT journey really made a lot of sense instead of completely moving to a different ERP.
We have deployed AX in luxury business. We are in the process of setting up AX for our manufacturing business as well. And our main focus is basically to capture the concept, which is like from designing, idea creation, to production, to warehousing, to retailing.
One of the things which also made our choice of AX very logical was the fact that the POS system of AX is integrated. The other advantage is as far as product costing is concerned, which is a very critical element of retailing, because retail is all about how efficiently you manage your costs and how efficiently you manage your inventory. Of course, you've got a lot of advantages in terms of integrated systems. We also eventually plan to use the HRM module for all our human resource needs. AX offers us a lot of variation in terms of reporting, in terms of capturing costs. It helps us to age our inventory in a very seamless manner.
So a couple of benefits which I would like to share. One, to capture the omni-channel experience through a single platform ERP. Second was to have a point of sale solution. The idea of choosing AX was to have a workflow in place, setting up the right approval metrics in the business, which gives more robustness and scalability into the system.
We've just started using Office 365. We've looked at Office 365 not just as a mailing solution, but we are trying to look at Office 365 more from a productivity enhancer and something which will allow more collaboration in the organization.
Earlier, we were using email separately, collaboration separately. There was no intranet. We have started using O365. We are using extensively Microsoft technologies.
We are in a very nascent stage with both these products. And I think we are looking at Microsoft more as a partner in our growth journey rather than just a vendor who is giving us IT services and solutions.